ekiseera naye bw'okeetegereza ebyokulonda biringa ng'ebyawedde abantu balinda bulinzi ku Atan kalulu kituva tusaba abasekurity butakola kavuyo n'abe NRM okukkiriza nti kana kalulu Atan agenda kawangula.
Somebody in the first round and he doesn't accept defeat, you go back to defeat him in the second round. I am going to move door to door, house to house, village to village to win this election because I was nullified on grounds that are so flimsy. I wasn't in parliament, I wasn't in the local government, I had no role in matters of boundary. But we are going to prove a case that we shall win a loyalty, we shall win OPA, and we shall win the wards we won, and we shall return to parliament.
Violence is brought to us. We are going to counter this violence in the same measure. So for me, as the leader of the FDC, this is a warning to those other candidates who may want to make Soroti City East a theater of violence. We come in peace.